Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix frames not showing on Instagram story. So on Instagram now there is a new feature called frames where you can add a Polaroid frame to your story. So for example, in here, I'm going to click on the sticker icon first and you can see there is this frame feature. But if this feature is not showing on your Instagram story, I'm going to show you how you can fix that. First, you can go to the Play Store if you're on Android, or maybe App Store if you're on iOS. And here find Instagram on the Play Store. You can click on a search bar and click on type in on Instagram and see if the Instagram needs to be updated. So as you guys can see here, I need to update my Instagram, so you can just click on update in here, or you can just go to the app info of your Instagram on your phone. So you can just long press on the app and go to the app info, and in here you can go to the storage and cache and try to clear the cache of the app and see if the problem is fixed. But if it hasn't, you can try to force stop the app, and you can also try to uninstall it first and then reinstall it on your phone. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.